up, everybody? I'll be making a bike shred today. Alright, let's just start off from the top. Got Colt Vans grips, Colt bars. They're pretty good. I mean, had them for a while. They stretch them out. I got stock gas premium bars with like fucking so much upsweep. It's fucking believable. They're 8.5, 28 across. Stem, I got a Demolition top load. I like it. It's one of my favorite stems. I got a Vertex Stolen Bolt on top. It's pretty gay. Headset, I got a stock fit headset. Had it for like days, but I don't really know how. Forks, Fly, Montana forks. Yep, I don't know much to say about them. Fuck tire, got a fucking Machete, 2.35 I think. Front wheel is a Fly. What the fuck's the name of that? I don't even fucking know, but whatever. Fly, 14 gauge spokes, and then a Revenge female hub, sealed, whatever. I got 2 stolen pegs. Yeah. I got a Sabrosa. Wait, no. Okay, I got a Sabrosa sticker. But no, my friend's actually wrong him. The Bermuda. Yeah, pretty good. I like it. Seat. I got the Demolition Market. Pivotal fat seat. Yeah. I got fucking a Shadow seat post. A fucking Demolition seat clamp. And yeah. Crank setup. I got some Prima Hollow bikes. They're not really my favorite cranks because I always hit my own cranks with it. But whatever. I got obviously posted PC pedals and stuff. That's good grip. Socket. Colt OS. Socket. 25 tooth. It's alright. I kind of want a 28, but I'll just have this. Shadow lock. Shadow fucking interlock? P2 thing? I don't know what it's called. Whatever. Back wheel. Got Fit Fast. 2.25. My rim is a Alienation Runaway. It's a Primo Mix cassette. Left hand drive. United hub guard and 2 Odyssey pegs. That is my bicycle.